Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a blessed day. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a Believe Beauty nail polish review and demo. And this line, Believe Beauty, is exclusive to the Dollar General. This is their makeup line. These nail polishes retail for $2.50 each. They are 0.4 fluid ounces. And the shade range, there is 10 polishes in this collection, 1 gel top coat, and 9 shades. Okay, the 9 shades also include 2 glitters, so technically there are 7 shades, 2 glitters, and 1 gel effect top coat. Okay, also a little side note here, I want to point out that my bottles are mislabeled. That's quite unfortunate. If that bothers you, you might want to pay close attention to the bottles while picking them up. I think for a small kind of display, 10 polishes really isn't that bad. They range from, of course, the top coat, 2 glitters, and nude polishes to real like plum nail polish. Really pretty polishes as well, you guys. I like the packaging on these. I think it is cute, but it's a little bit of a beefy bottle, to be honest. It's square, thick glass, something to consider while thinking about storing these. And I do want to point out, I am painting these a little messily just because I'm in a hurry. I'm underneath a camera. I'm a mom of messy and clean up later. Okay, this is a salon style brush. The polish that I have here is called Serene, and it is a thick opaque polish, as you can tell. I done 2 coats, but literally it's opaque in 1. I just done 2 because I prefer 2 coats personally. And this Serene shade is such a beautiful dusty moss green shade. It's absolutely stunning for fall, and I recommend picking this one up definitely for fall. The drying time with the nail polish is just a few minutes. It's not really bad considering it's thick and opaque, and I am pleased with the dry time. So moving on to the gel effect top coat. This also has a salon style brush. It is a thick glossy top coat. I am actually very impressed with this top coat, you guys. It is very glossy. Now as it wears, of course it's going to dull over time. They do recommend with all top coats applying every day for like the first 3 days and then every other day. I personally do 1 top coat and then I usually leave it because I change my nail polish very quickly. This top coat does seal in your color though, and in my opinion it is kind of like a glossy gel finish. This is probably just me, but I think once this dries down it actually smells like green apples. Probably just me. This is not a quick drying top coat, and nor does it say anywhere on the bottle. Don't expect this to dry in 30 seconds or a minute. It's going to take a couple minutes to dry, but seriously not a big issue. Next and final thing we're going to talk about is the wear time. This is 6 days later. It looks a bit rough. Of course it's lightly worn on the tips of the nails. That's typically the place where it starts wearing the most. My thumb is a little bit chipped, but I typically use my thumb to open a lot of things, so that's to be expected for me. And I was really impressed with how long it lasted without any major chipping. I'm really pleasantly surprised. This is 6 days later, if you can believe it, for a nail polish that costs $2.50, $5 for the pair. I love the price point. I love the wear on these. Drugstore nail polishes usually don't last that long without chipping, so totally impressed with the formula of these, the opaqueness, the dry time, and the wear time. I definitely recommend trying out Believe Beauty nail polish as well as their other products are pretty amazing. In the description box, as well as other Believe Beauty links, there's also a Believe Beauty playlist. And yes, loving this nail polish line as well, so I am going to definitely go back and purchase some more colors and possibly the whole line. They're that good. So I thank you guys always for watching. I hope you found the review helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you did. Check out the other videos, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much always for watching.